Not everybody should be an entrepreneur. On the surface level, it can look very alluring, very attractive, especially in today's modern world of social media. But underneath that, many decades of work and pain to reach some pinnacle of success, or in some cases illusion of success, there is a world of pain and hurt and suffering. For most, not all. But I would also like to say that in today's era, it is even more challenging. Previous generations of entrepreneurs, things were a lot easier. There wasn't such global tensions as they are. You go to your local bank and get a business loan and leverage that. Everything was a lot easier than it is today. In the dynamics of the world today is certainly not in favor of small, medium enterprises and entrepreneurs. Though the world needs entrepreneurs, because without entrepreneurs, there is no innovation. For those looking on the outside in to being an entrepreneur, it's not for everyone. You have to be crazy. It's nothing wrong with not being an entrepreneur. In fact, I would not wish it on sometimes my worst enemy to be an entrepreneur. The shit I've gone through over the years, these sleepless nights, the stress, semi-alcoholism just to survive the stress, I wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy. Being said, I also wouldn't trade the life I have for anything, because most importantly, I love the creative freedom